Hello everyone, I am going to discuss ramp type digital voltmeter. So, digital voltmeter is a device which shows output of the measured value in terms of numeric digits instead of a pointer deflection on a continuous scale as in analog devices. So, advantage of numerical readout is that we can directly use these readings for further processing. So, before start discussion on digital voltmeter, we will understand basic example which will help us further understanding if we want to measure something. So, let's take length. Here you can see that I am taking length. If I have to measure this length, so we have to set some known reference for measuring this unknown value. Here you can see that I am taking known reference a scale which we will use to measure this unknown length. So here I am taking known reference for measuring unknown value. Suppose I am taking here AND gate, and you already know what is the work of AND gate. AND gate simply multiply its input. So A dot B, we will get output C. Suppose this unknown length is B and this known value is A. What will happen here? If we will take first part, then value of known length or known scale will be 1, and here unknown value will also be 1 because here we are getting some value, here we are getting some value, then what will be the output will be 1. Okay, and it will continue up to this point. Suppose at this point length of scale will 4 centimeter, so we will get output 1 1 1 till 4 centimeter. Then what will happen here? Here we will get input A 1, but here no input for B. That means B will be 0. Then what will be the output for AND gate? C will be 0 into 1 will be 0. That means we will get output until we know the value of this unknown length. So what will happen? We will get output 4 centimeter. So you will get output till 4 centimeter. That means unknown length has the value of 4 centimeter. As we have measured it with known reference value of a scale, that means AND gate will give positive values until the unknown value will equal to the known reference value. I hope it is clear to you. So let's start discussion on linear ramp type digital voltmeter. Okay, AND gate works on the principle of multiplication. So it will multiply all the 3 inputs which we are taking here. Here you can see I am drawing AND gate. It has one input of oscillator, which will provide oscillations to the AND gate clock pulses. And next input is from operational amplifier. It will give start pulse to the gate, and next input from another operational amplifier, it will give it to stop pulse. So these are three input of AND gate. It is an op-amp. It will work as input comparator. Here it is work as ground comparator. So you can see here these three inputs will multiply in AND gate, and we will get output to counter. And counter's output will fed into readout, which will give us numerical value. So we can simply read out the numerical values. Okay, so here you can see that AND gate works on the principle of multiplication, so it will multiply all the three inputs simultaneously. That means output of input comparator, oscillator, and ground comparator must be high for the counter for getting positive output. Okay, the operating principle of the ramp type digital voltmeter is based on the measurement of the time it takes for a linear ramp voltage to rise from 0 volt to the level of the input voltage, or to decrease from the level of the input voltage to 0. You can relate it with this example. Here we are taking some known reference value, that is a scale, and ramp type digital voltmeter will take known reference value as time, and the unknown voltage will measure with known value of time. So I am continuing the circuit diagram. Here in this circuit, operational amplifier which is used as an input comparator connect with AND gate, and you can see that on a circuit diagram one of the two input has fed with an unknown voltage input, and another one is fed with ramp generator. Okay, so one input is fed with ramp generator, it is connected like this, it is the connecting point, and ramp generator output will fed into operational amplifier input comparator and operational amplifier ground comparator. Another input will ground, and another input will fade with, as I told you, unknown reference, which is ranging and attenuator. It is unknown value which we have to measure. So This unknown value is connected with input comparator, and it is the known reference value which we will compare with unknown value, and it will multiply in gate, and we will get output from the readout. Input of unknown value will fade from its input DC input voltage, and another input will connect it to ground. So here sample and sample rate multi vibrator will connect it with counter. You can see here, and it is also connected with ramp generator. Okay, here you can see that output of the AND gate is connected with counter, which will count every positive pulse for showing final output readout is used, which is 7 segment LED display with decimal point. I hope this diagram is clear to you. So we can draw voltage to time conversion using gated clock pulse waveform, so that it is more clear to you. Okay, so I am drawing here. Here you can see that plus 12 volt, and it is ramp put. It is start of measurement, and it is first coincidence. Here you can see that it is ramp, and this level shows voltage being measured. And this line shows time. It is 0 volt up to negative 12 volt. It is second coincidence point, and it is first coincidence point. It is gating time interval. Gating time interval means gate will open for only unknown measurement like this, and gate will close for when we complete our measurement. So gating time interval will help to measure the unknown value, and it will multiply with clock pulses. Here you can see that oscillator and gate both will multiply for unknown reference value, clock pulses to counter. I hope it is clear to you work of ramp type digital voltmeter. Thank you.